Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, sir, and everyone. We are the team of IoT-based automatic scanning unlock for smart locker using face recognition. And today, we would like to present the final benchmark results of our Pebble project. With your permission, we will now begin. Okay, next. Here are the members of our group. Okay, next.
Okay, this is our background, why we just make a smart locker. As digital technology advances, the demand for secure and efficient storage system grows, especially in public areas like campus and station. Conventional locker using physical keys are prone to key loss and limited access control. Integrating IoT and face recognition provides a promising solution. This project developed a smart locker system that unlock automatically by verifying user identity in real time. Next.
Okay, in this slide we present the main objective of our project, which is to develop a smart locker system based on IoT and facial recognition. The first objective is to design a facial identification system using a camera and face recognition algorithm that can verify users in real time. And the next, we integrate this recognition system with an IoT-based microcontroller to enable automated control and connectivity. And then to develop smart locker prototype equipped with the necessary hardware and software components. And we built a monitoring system and implementation online user data storage for remote access and management. And last, we conduct performance testing and prepare technical documentation to support the development and evaluation process. All of these objectives aim to create a safer, more efficient, and modern storage solution. Then, next.
Okay, I will explain theoretical foundation. Face recognition technology is a part of artificial intelligence that utilizes digital image processing to identify individual based on facial features. This process involves face detection, feature extraction, and matching with a stored database. Meanwhile, the Internet of Things enables the integration of sensors, microcontroller, and internet connectivity to manage data and control device in real time. The combination of this technology enables the development of an efficient and secure authentication system for smart locker application. Next.
Okay, this is our main tools and material. There are one Raspberry Pi 5, two LCD touchscreen, three magnetic switch sensor, four solenoid, five webcam, and six power supply 12 volt. Next.
Okay, this is our flowchart. First, the system start when it is power on. The USB camera capture video in real time, and then the system obtain an image frame for processing. Using OpenCV, the system perform face detection to locate the face within the image. After detecting the face, it goes through face region pre-processing such as cropping, resizing, and normalizing, so that it matches the input requirement of the deep learning model. Next, the pre-processed phase is input into the deep learning model for feature extraction and recognition. The result is converted to the user database to determine whether the face is recognized or not. Then the system sends the recognition status to the IoT server. If the face is recognized, the system will open the locker by activating the solenoid or relay. It will also log the access history, including user ID, time, and access status, and send a notification to the user. If the face is not recognized, the system increases the file counter. When the file counter exceeds 3 items, the system will trigger an alarm, send an alert to the user or admin, and log the locker for security. Finally, the process ends and the system is ready for the next face capture. Next.
System diagram. So user process the smart locker camera capture and their face. The image is the process by smart display monitor like Raspberry Pi. If the face is recognized, the system automatically unlock the locker using the Selenium lock. Access information is then displayed on screen or sent to the user a smartphone via an IoT connection. Okay, next.
This is the wiring diagram for our smart locker system project. The system uses some electronic component to make locker access safe and automatic using face recognition and magnetic sensor. The main control is a Raspberry Pi. It handles all control and processing. It is connected to a relay module, which turn the locker on or off. Each relay control one locker. We use red switch or magnetic sensor to check if the locker door is open or closed. The sensor send a signal to the Raspberry Pi through GPIO pins. We make a pull-up circuit using resistor and a breadboard. A USB camera is connected to the Raspberry Pi for face recognition. When the system recognizes a face, it activates the relay to open the locker. There is also a buzzer for sound alert. It gives a warning if face recognition fails open the locker. A mini monitor is used to show the user interface. It's made with HTML and CSS. The screen shows locker status, instruction, or warning message. Lamp is an indicator when locker open or close. Power comes from a power supply. The Raspberry Pi and relay module use 5 volt and the solenoid use 12 volt. The design help control the locker system safely and in the real time. It's also connect to the internet using Firebase for monitoring. Thank you. Next.
Okay, this is the mechanical design of our smart locker. The structure is vertical with 6 storage compartments. The overall dimensions are 2020 millimeter in height, 340 millimeter in wide, and 380 millimeter in depth. At the top section, there is a panel box that houses the main components such as the Raspberry Pi, relay module, and others, along with an LCD screen for user interaction. To maintain stable internal temperature, a fan is installed for air ventilation. The designs include isometric front, side, and top views with detailed dimension for manufacturing and assembly purpose. Okay, next.
Okay, this is the display section of the locker that user can access. I will explain how it works. On the initial display, I will call them the left and right panel. The left panel is the locker status information. The right panel is the main menu. Users can view the locker status. Blue means empty, green means occupied. If user want to register their face, start by pressing the register face button, then enter a name and select a locker number. After that, press tag face. A camera preview will appear with a white box in the center, allowing users to position their face within the box. The system will capture 5 facial images. After that, press continue to confirm. If successful, the system move to the face scan. Our system allows users to store items after successful registration. Just like when registering a face, the camera preview also has a white box in the center. The recognition face will be identified by a green box and the owner name. If successful, the locker will open automatically and the user can store items. The locker status will be updated in real time on the user interface. When you want to retrieve an item, tap Scan Face to open locker. The camera will active and match your face in less than 5 seconds. If it matches, the locker will open and the user can retrieve to the item. After that, a question will appear. Do you want to delete your facial data? Select yes if you no longer want to save the item, or no if you want to reuse it. Okay, next.
Okay,
Okay, next we move on to the web interface. In this step, we use PHP by admin to create the database for the web interface. For programming and creating the web interface,
we use
we use
Visual
Visual
Studio
Studio
software.
software. The programming language used for this web interface is PHP because it's easy to use and suitable for connecting data from the database to the web interface.
In this web
In this web interface, we display 6 lockers that can be monitored directly. Each locker is marked with a different color according
to its
to its status.
Blue
Blue indicates the locker is unoccupied.
green
Green indicates the locker is occupied,
and
and red indicates a break-in.
this display
This display allows user to easily monitor
the
the condition of each locker quickly and clearly. Next.
Okay, during the testing phase, the system successfully recognized user face with a high level of accuracy, averaging 96%, shown in table. Out of 5 user tests for achieved 100% success rate, while on user had an accuracy of 80. The system was able to accurately recognize faces that were already stored in the database, which then triggered the locker to open automatically. As shown in table, every recognized face successfully initiate the locker opening command. The face detection and unlocking times were within optimal range, approximately 3 to 5 seconds, depending on the user distance from the camera. This result indicates that all system components, including facial recognitions, automate access control, activity logging, and web-based monitoring were successfully integrated. The system performed more effectively under adequate lighting conditions, allowing for faster and more accurate face recognitions. Next.
In the challenge and evaluation section, we encountered several issues during the project. First, there were errors in face detection due to poor lighting condition and variation in facial angles. Second, there were limitations in the physical prototype caused by a shortage of consumable materials. Third, the developed IoT system was not fully synchronized with the local control logic, resulting in incomplete integration. To overcome this issue, we retrained the facial data and adjusted the camera parameter to improve accuracy. The prototype design was also refined by reorganizing the component layout and optimizing material usage. Finally, we conducted communication testing and logic flow adjustment to ensure full synchronization between the IoT system and the local control logic. Next.
Okay, this slide is conclusion. After all, a smart locker system based on facial recognition and IoT has been successfully developed and tested with satisfactory results. The system demonstrates stable and accurate user recognition and automatic unlocking. With cloud integration, the system supports remote monitoring and has significant potential for implementation on campus, office, and other public facility.
Ini adalah video demo dari proyek PBL kami. Pada awal tampilan, pengguna dapat melihat status semua locker untuk mengetahui mana yang masih kosong dan bisa digunakan. Setelah memastikan ketersediaan locker, pengguna menekan tombol Register Face untuk memulai proses pendaftaran wajah. Selanjutnya, pengguna akan diminta untuk memasukkan nama dan memilih nomor loker yang ingin digunakan. Sistem kemudian akan melakukan proses perekaman wajah dengan mengambil 5 gambar wajah dari berbagai sudut dalam waktu kurang dari 8 detik. Setelah seluruh gambar berhasil ditangkap, pengguna menekan tombol selanjutnya sebagai konfirmasi bahwa proses pendaftaran wajah telah selesai. Kemudian pengguna menekan tombol daftarkan wajah sebagai konfirmasi atas wajah yang sudah terdaftar serta menyamakan loker mana yang kita gunakan. Jika semua berjalan lancar, sistem secara otomatis akan masuk ke tahap pemindaian wajah untuk mengakses loker yang telah dipilih. Setelah wajah dikenali, loker akan terbuka secara otomatis, dan pengguna dapat menyimpan barang dengan aman di dalamnya. Tampilan UI akan langsung memperbarui status loker secara real-time. Kami juga memiliki sistem IoT, di mana warna biru menandakan bahwa loker masih kosong, sedangkan warna hijau menunjukkan bahwa loker telah terisi. Ketika pengguna ingin mengambil kembali barang yang telah disimpan, cukup menekan tombol Scan Face to Open Locker. Kamera akan aktif, dan preview wajah pengguna akan ditampilkan. Sistem kemudian mencocokkan wajah dengan data yang telah disimpan sebelumnya, dan dalam waktu kurang dari 5 detik, jika wajah terdeteksi dengan benar, loker akan terbuka secara otomatis. Setelah barang berhasil diambil, akan muncul pesan konfirmasi di layar. Apakah Anda ingin menghapus data wajah dari sistem? Jika tidak ingin menyimpan barang lagi, pengguna dapat memilih Yes untuk menghapus wajah dari database. Namun, jika ingin menggunakan loker kembali, cukup tekan No, dan data wajah tetap akan disimpan.
Concludes our presentation on the final benchmark of our probable project. Thank you for your attention and the opportunity. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yay!